The only reason why you didn't move forward is may guilt. So, ang metaphor ko dyan, imaginein mo, nasa butas ka, yung tao nandun sa butas hanggang dibdib, sabi mo sa kanya, halika na, alis ka na dyan, this person stuck. Sabi niya, ayoko, okay lang ako dito. Hindi, stuck ka eh. Halika, anong gagawin mo? May nakita ka nandun tao sa butas. What do you do? Hilahin. Sabi niya, ayoko, dito lang ako.
Motivate the person.
Oh, kaya mo yan. Hindi, dito lang ako. Binato mo na yung tali, nilagay mo na yung ladder. O, anong gagawin mo?
I-offer yung hand ko or
Oh, eto lang kamay ko. Hindi, ayoko lang, dito lang ako. What do you do?
move forward.
Only if you've done all of the things na sinabi mo. In-offer mo yung hand, nilagyan mo ng hagdanan, nilagyan mo ng tali, minotivate mo, kinoach mo, ayaw pa rin. Then, move forward. Kasi wala kang guilt feeling. Kasi alam mo in your mind, I did what I had to do. Choice na yon. So, I move forward with trust, hoping that when this person's ready, the next person na nag-offer ng hand, then they'll reach out. Kaya tayo may guilt kasi hindi mo ginawa yung ladder, hindi mo ginawa yung offer, hindi mo ginawa yung motivation. In real life, ganun din. Hindi ka nagtawag, hindi ka nag-check-in, hindi mo kinamusta. Kaya ka guilty ngayon, hindi ka makamove forward. Kaya guilt is very powerful. Kasi it sets the tone eh. It stops you from moving forward. Kasi you know that you could have done something else.